In this video, I will tell you how to set up a flat rate shipping fee on WooCommerce. So step number 1 is to go to your WordPress admin dashboard and navigate to WooCommerce, then click settings and go to shipping. The second step is to select the shipping zone where you want to add the flat rate shipping charges. Now you can add more later. Step number 3 is to click on add shipping method and then choose the flat rate from the drop down menu. Once added, click Edit under the flat rate option to configure it. Enter the shipping cost, method title, tag status, and any conditions or restrictions. And the final step is to save your changes. You can also add multiple flat rate shipping methods within the same zone, each with different costs and different conditions if needed. One of these conditions is which product it is, because some products will cost more to ship than others. So now you know how to add shipping costs on WooCommerce. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said,